Hey, Natural Method YouTube. Do you feel like your ears have a mind of their own? Do you wish you could get them working properly? If you have Patulous Eustachian tube, I'm going to show you how to reduce the random sounds. Let's get started. Massage your hands 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Massage the front of the ear up and down. 1, 2, 3, 4. Massage as strong as you can. Don't worry. 3, 4, 5. Stop. Hold it for 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Push your hands in and out. 1, 2, 3, 4. Push hard so that you feel a suction sensation. 3, 4, 5. With your fingers, push on your trachea and open your mouth wide. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Open your mouth as wide as you can do it. 3, 4, 5. Right finger on your trachea, left finger on your left ears, and push it in and out. 1, 2, 3. Please press your palm firmly against your ear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left finger on your left trachea, right hand on your right ear. Push it in and out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left finger on your left nose, right finger onto your right ear, and blow out through your right. 1, 2, 3, 4. Don't be shy. Blow your nose as hard as you can. 3, 4, 5. Right finger onto your right nostrils and left hand onto your left ears and blow out through your left nostrils. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left finger and thumb, close your nose, right hand onto your right ear and blow out. 1. Please keep your mouth closed. You will need to blow as hard as you can. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Left hand on your left ears and right finger and thumb, close your nose and blow out. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Both hands onto your ears and hold it for 5 seconds. Push it in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And drop your hands down. Don't forget to get your free case study on how I breathe better and get rid of congestion. Click here.